Hello, I'm Gavin McGuire, Special Situations Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Friday, November 6th. The markets were able to recover some recent losses this week as the oversold conditions provided investors with an attractive entry point. Earnings season was once again in full gear as companies continued to outperform expectations. As we head into the second week of November, 443 out of the 500 S&P companies have now reported, with 80% of them posting positive surprises. Looking ahead to next week, we shall see a slowdown in earnings announcements, but there remains plenty of potential market-moving news on the calendar. With regards to earnings, Disney and Walmart are the biggest names set to release results. Retailers will be a major story next week as well, as Macy's, Kohl's, and JCPenney will all provide us insight into the consumer health as we head towards the all-important holiday season. Over the weekend, the G20 will meet, with the markets watching to see if there's any change to the group's stance on central bank stimulus. However, we should note that little is expected to occur here. On Wednesday of this week, the Fed provided its latest outlook to the markets, keeping its statement from September relatively unchanged. In our comments leading up to the decision, we noted that the Fed usually prepares the markets for change in language via speeches leading up to the announcement. Next week, we will get our first look at a potential change in parlance. Highlighting the Fed calendar will be speeches on Thursday from influential Fed presidents Janet Yellen from San Francisco and Eric Rosengren from Boston. It'll be a quiet week on the economic front. A couple of smaller surveys will be released in the early part of the week before we see the Friday release of the trade balance and the preliminary November Michigan sentiment numbers. Midweek, we will see another large issuance of U.S. debt as the 3-year, 10-year note, and 30-year bond auction results will all be released. We hope that prepares you for next week. As always, for more information and analysis on upcoming events, please visit Briefing.com. Thank you and happy trading.